Okay, quick view of the newly, I want to say reframed, but additionally framed Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series Artwork 51, the Israeli RPG, rocket-propelled gefilte, psychological warfare, and slain Palestinian journalist Shireen Abu Akleh, who died early this year while covering the conflict. So I mounted 4 pieces of diverse different frame molding on top, on right, on the bottom, and on the left. And you notice this piece doesn't go the whole vertical length there. I think of it as asymmetrical balance, a term I learned when I was a sophomore majoring in art at Southern Illinois University, Carbondale. I began my sophomore year there in fall 1974. And when I was thinking about that a little while ago, I was thinking about how wars and conflict, talking about asymmetrical balance, people killing each other and maiming each other over land. And it's just horrifying, absolutely horrifying. All right, there you have it. How are we doing, budgies? You getting some flying in over there, I see? Yeah, good, good. How are we doing over there, okay? All right, there you have it. War. Blech, blech, blech.